welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to assemble the wooden high chair for toddlers from the store YOLEO. I don't know if I said it right, but that's what I read. And before we head on with this video, if you're new here, welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before we keep going. Alright guys, so let's get to it. So here is my YOLEO high chair, and the reason why I'm getting this instead of the one that we have before is because I think this is way easier for me to clean after Giselle when she's done eating. So I think this is better because you can adjust it to the height of the child and also to the table. So this is why I got this. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so now Giselle is sitting on the chair, and obviously this is way too high, so I'm gonna adjust it and put it down. It is too high. Okay, mets ton pied en bas. So maybe I should put it like here. So the good part about this is that make sure you keep this piece right here because you will need it. As your kid grows, you can adjust the seat height on the side, and then you can also adjust the foot. I'm gonna adjust this one right now. Is that okay? Perfect! Yay! Awesome! We're gonna put this belt for safety.
Yeah,
For safety.
oh, safety.
So basically, this will go around your baby.
I want to see a hole.
There you go.
Very
Yay! So we have to add these little pieces at the bottom over here on 4 of them, so that way it won't scratch the floor and it will be easy to slide it. Alright guys, so let's put this at the table and see how it looks like. Alright guys, so I put it already at the table. And so now we're gonna see Gigi climb up on her own. Oh wait, I have to unbuckle you. Go ahead, sit. You don't even need this.
Hey.
No! You can eat with us. Is it too high? Is it too low? Maybe we should put this higher.
Baby, take higher.
Higher? And after you can sit again, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's adjust it one more time. So guys, make sure these are really well screwed in because this is important. Your child is gonna sit on this chair. So I just adjusted mine because I tried it with Giselle at the table. So we saw that she was still a little too short comparing to our table. So everyone is different. So I think the highest is better for her. And I hope the foot are good too. Go.
Yes, Mama. What's that?
Et les pieds?
So a piece, Dad.
Yeah, it's okay. Alright, well, let's put you at the table. Yay!
That's for keys.
You want cookies? So then I also bought this little plastic mat at Target. So these are to put on the table and easy to clean. So I'm gonna put this over here. You're a big girl?
Yeah.
You're a big girl.
Yeah, a big girl.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Aww. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope this video was helpful. I will also link the chair down below in the description, so make sure to go check that out. And I will also link the Target mat that I put on the table if I can find it. And if not, I'll put something that's similar to that. So if this video was helpful for you guys, make sure to like, share, comment down below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good one. Bye!